Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can apply for Wells Fargo credit card online. So let's jump right in. First, open your preferred browser and head to wellsfargo.com by typing it into the search bar. Once you're on the homepage, tap the menu icon that's the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll through the menu and from there, select Credit Cards. Now you will see a lot of options here. Above them, tap on See All Credit Cards. You'll see a list of available cards. Browse through the options and choose the one that best fits your needs. Once you've decided, tap on Apply Now. If you're already a Wells Fargo online banking customer, tap Yes when asked, then log in using your username and password and continue the application from there. If you're not a Wells Fargo customer yet, tap No to proceed as a new applicant. You'll be asked to fill in your personal contact details, financial information, and you'll also have the option to add an authorized user if needed. If you're planning to transfer a balance from another card, you can do that in this step too. Just tap the relevant option and enter the transfer details. Next, review all the terms and conditions, check the required boxes to agree, and finally, tap Submit. That's it, you've successfully applied for a credit card through Wells Fargo's online portal.